As you can probably tell, I'm here in the snow and I'm at Mount Buller in particular. Now, Mount Buller is a ski resort here in the Victorian High Country in Australia. Mount Buller is one of the most popular ski resorts here in Australia. There are over 400,000 visitors that come here every winter. Now, there's 22 ski lifts covering a 300 hectare area, so a lot of skiable terrain. As you can imagine, with so many visitors coming here, managing the ticketing and making sure that the right people have access to the ski lifts is a really critical part of the operations here. So today what we're going to have a look at is what role are Xplore tablets playing in helping the staff make sure that the right people are getting on the lift. I'm down here at the bottom of the Burke Street Express lift here at Mount Buller. It's the newest lift here at Mount Buller. They spent millions on it, and to go with the lift is a new Xplore tablet. Now, what they're using the tablet for is to check and verify tickets. So behind me there's RFID gantries. Everybody's got an RFID ticket. The skier goes through the gantry and they show up on the tablet here. Now, what's showing up is a photo of the person and their status to verify whether they're a child, an adult, a season ticket holder, so that the operator and the lift attendants can make sure that people have the right tickets and not passing tickets on to other people. So a very, very valuable solution here at the bottom of Burke Street Express. Well, as you can see, it's not summery up here at Mount Buller at all. So what does that mean when it comes to selecting computer devices that need to work in this harsh environment? Well, it means you need a highly rugged device. Now, let's not just take my word for it. Let's go and have a chat with the IT manager here at the Buller Ski Lift Company. Well, we've come out of the freezing cold, and joining me today is John Cotterill, the IT manager at Buller Ski Lifts. John, thanks for joining me.
You're welcome, Andrew.
Now, pretty harsh environment up here, but you get a lot of traffic. What are some of the numbers around the visitors and the scans that you're doing per day?
Yeah, look, we have some really busy days up here, Andrew. Obviously the weekends are really busy. Weekdays during school holidays also super busy. We're talking thousands of people coming through our gates every day. By the end of the season, our RFID gates have scanned millions of customers over that 4-month period.
So up here at Mount Buller, you're dealing with some pretty harsh conditions, and it must pose a lot of IT challenges. What are some of those challenges?
Yeah, absolutely, Andrew. As you know, IT poses a lot of challenges as it stands, but when you add into that the alpine environment up here at Mount Buller, we're dealing with ice, rain, hail, sometimes freezing rain, which is really challenging, as well as super bright sunlight on some days. That really just adds to those challenges and makes it a really interesting environment to work.
You've chosen to implement the Xplore range of tablets. Why have you chosen a highly rugged device?
I've chosen a highly rugged device because it needs to be able to deal with the extremes in climate that we have here at Buller. It also needs to be highly mobile because the staff need to transport it from their meeting location to their lift locations. And at the end of the day, we just need a device that is reliable and can last out the seasons and for many years to come.
There are a lot of tablets out in the marketplace, consumer grade and some sort of semi-rugged devices, but why didn't you go down that path here at Mount Buller?
Yeah, look, we've tried that, Andrew. We've tried some consumer grade devices. We've also tried some less ruggedised solutions, but at the end of the day, they just didn't stand up to the conditions we have here at Buller, in particular around the touchscreen being able to operate in these really moist conditions. One of the things that is really important for us as well is battery life. We need a device that's going to last an entire day. We can't have the staff having to come back and recharge them, and the Xplore tablets do that. We've got dual batteries on those tablets, and we definitely get at least 8 hours of those each day.
Up here at Mount Buller, you've got a very complex task as the IT manager. You manage everything from the tablet devices, mobile computers, RFID gantries, retail point of sale systems. What do you really look for when it comes to selecting computer hardware?
Yeah, I'll give you a bigger list than that if you like, Andrew, but yeah, essentially when we're selecting our mobile devices and our tablet devices, the most important thing for me is that they're going to operate and be reliable. At the end of the day, I've got so many things that we need to keep an eye on. I want to make sure that those ones aren't going to be the ones that I'm getting phone calls for in the middle of the day.
You've got a lot of technology here at Mount Buller. What are your future plans as far as utilisation of that technology?
In the coming years, we're going to continue to expand to put our RFID gates at additional gate locations. And what we're trying to do is improve the customer experience as well. So at the bottom of our locations, the access control staff are able to diagnose what the issue might be with the customer's pass and resolve it on the spot without having to send the customer back to a ticket office. That's ideally what the Xplore tablets help us to do.
Down here at the bottom of the Bull Run chairlift, and we've found another Xplore tablet sitting here, but this one's lucky, it's sitting under cover. Angeline here is the access control supervisor, so she really knows all about these Xplore tablets, and one of the key features she mentioned is that with these tablets you can actually turn the touchscreen off and put it into stylus only mode, which is a big plus. So as Angeline keeps on working here using the Xplore tablets, checking people's tickets, I bid you farewell. Now if you want to find out more about the Xplore range of tablets, visit them online. Visit Zebra.com. Freezing.